Step number 5, link your YouTube outro funnel to a lead sales or subscription machine. So let's go back to our My Videos. And right here, we'll see this new video now. It's 20 seconds, 21 seconds longer than the original one. This Udemy Alchemy step number 4, because I appended it with that outro, but I still need to annotate it so I can link it up, those videos that are a part of the outro, so I can link them up to either an external website or other videos on my channel. How would I do that? Well, if you click on this drop down and click on annotations, then right here you'll be able to add all of these annotations. So go and find right around where that transition is from the regular video into the outro part. And then you could start and click right here and you add an annotation. Now, I like to add these labels. That is my favorite annotation. And when I add one, then I'll go down here and I'll make it transparent. And then I will take that and I will just go and make sure that it covers the entire width and length of the video. And once that's done, then I can click on here and link it up to whatever I want to link it up. If I want to link it up to an external source, then I could do that. For example, if I want to, that one is the sales video for product creation alchemy. So I would go to digistrats.com/product alchemy. And then if someone clicks it, then that will redirect me to the product alchemy sales page. Now note that you can only, if you click on associated website, then it can only go to a website that you own. You can also choose other things such as approved merchants, and there is a whole list of them, or a fundraising project if you have something on Kickstarter, or they can subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you would obviously use that one for right here, this YouTube subscribe button. Same thing with Google Plus profile, channel, playlist, or another video within your channel. Once I do that, then I would create all 4 of these annotations, and I'd want to start them at the same time. So right at that 14-second mark, and then we'll want it to end just by dragging it all the way to the end. We'll want it to end right at the end of the video, and I'll create those 4 different annotations. Now, once I do that, then I'll just apply these changes. And note that I'm going to leave you links to these different articles as well. This is an article about merchant annotations, and there's this list of all these approved retailers. You can click right here on other approved retailers. So depending on what you're selling, you know what you can link it up to and what you can't. Same thing right here with associated website annotations. You'll be able to see what you can do and what you can't do, because there are some things that are restricted. So make sure that you are familiar with those rules. And then this is the last one, is where do annotations show up and where do they not show up. Just be wary that annotations do not show up on mobile phones, tablets, TV devices, things of that nature. And the last comment that I want to mention is that it might sound like a cool thing to do to first create this YouTube outro, annotate it, and then just append it to every single one of these videos, right? Why not? Why didn't I annotate this Digistrats main outro and then just append it using that YouTube video editor to every single one? Why is that? Well, because the annotations unfortunately do not carry over. So you do have to manually work with it in this way, just so you know how that works when it comes to YouTube.